Welcome to Foods Around the Globe. Today, we're off on a culinary adventure to Brunei, a country bursting with flavor. We're diving deep into Brunei's vibrant culinary tradition, exploring 10 dishes that'll make your taste buds sing. Get ready for a wild ride, because we're about to unveil the secrets behind these must-try authentic recipes. First up, we've got Ambuyat. This is no ordinary dish, you lot. It's a sticky, starchy delicacy made from the sago palm. Imagine dipping a bamboo fork into this gooey goodness and swirling it around. It's the ultimate street food experience in Brunei. You'll find ambuyat served with a variety of flavorful dips, each adding a unique dimension to this national treasure. Next, let's fire up the grill for some grilled fish with sambal. This dish is a true testament to Brunei's love for seafood and spice. We're talking fresh fish, marinated to perfection in a blend of aromatic spices and chilies, then grilled to smoky perfection. The sambal, a fiery chili paste, adds a punch of heat that'll leave you craving more. Get ready for a taste of royalty with beef rendang. This dish is a true culinary masterpiece, slow-cooked to tender perfection in a rich and aromatic coconut gravy. It's a staple during festive seasons, and you'll understand why once you've had a taste. Beef rendang is a labor of love, but trust me, the end result is worth every minute spent in the kitchen. Now let's talk about Nasi Katok, a dish that embodies Brunei's culinary ingenuity. It's a harmonious blend of fragrant rice, crispy fried chicken, and a spicy sambal sauce. This dish is all about balance. The crispy chicken contrasts beautifully with the soft rice, while the sambal adds that fiery kick. Nasi Katok is a true testament to Brunei's ability to create magic with simple ingredients. Get your taste buds ready for Satay, Brunei's answer to the world of skewers. We're talking succulent marinated meat, grilled to perfection over charcoal, and served with a delectable peanut sauce. It's a favorite among locals and tourists alike, and you'll understand why once you've experienced the smoky aroma and rich flavors. Satay is the perfect street food, ideal for a quick bite or a leisurely feast. Let's dive into the world of vegetables with sode, a creamy coconut milk-based curry packed with a medley of fresh vegetables. It's traditionally served with rice and other side dishes, creating a wholesome and satisfying meal. Sode is a true celebration of Brunei's fresh produce and culinary creativity. Prepare to be wowed by udang sambal serai bersantan, a dish that showcases Brunei's love for seafood and bold flavors. We're talking prawns cooked in a rich and creamy coconut gravy, infused with lemongrass, chilies, and other aromatic spices. This dish is a true flavor bomb, with the prawns adding a delightful sweetness to the spicy gravy. Udang sambal serai bersantan is a must-try for any seafood enthusiast. Get ready for a taste of spice with bubur pedas. This flavorful porridge is a unique blend of rice, herbs, spices, and vegetables. It's a hearty and comforting dish, perfect for a cold day or when you're feeling under the weather. Bubur pedas is a true testament to Brunei's culinary heritage, a dish that's been enjoyed for generations. Time to crunch into penaram, a savory snack that's as crispy as it gets. These deep-fried fritters are made with a simple batter, often filled with vegetables or seafood, and served with a dipping sauce. They're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and bursting with flavor. Penaram is a popular street food in Brunei, perfect for a quick bite or a satisfying snack. Finally, let's end our culinary journey with roti jala, a delicate and intricate pancake that's a true work of art. It's made with a thin batter that's poured onto a hot pan in a circular motion, creating a lacy and crispy texture. Roti jala is often served with curries or dips, adding a touch of elegance to any meal. It's a must-try for any visitor to Brunei, a dish that showcases the country's culinary finesse. Well, there you have it, you bunch of hungry devils. We've explored 10 of Brunei's most delicious and authentic dishes. From the sticky goodness of Ambuyat to the fiery delights of grilled fish with sambal, Brunei's culinary scene is a force to be reckoned with. If you enjoyed this culinary adventure, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow food lovers, and subscribe to Foods Around the Globe for more mouth-watering journeys. Stay tuned because we've got a whole world of flavors waiting to be explored.